In this video, we're going to transfer a photo onto clear tape, like this, which then can be used in many interesting and fun ways, like this. So stick around because this is really an easy project to do. Yeah, don't miss it. Okay, so basically what we're going to do, we're going to transfer this photo onto this tape, like this. That's what we're going to do. It's actually quite easy to do. I'll show you how, and then you can use it in different projects, like this one. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really easy and fun. It's a lot of fun. Okay, so let's start now. Let me show you how I did it. The tape we're going to use today is actually a type of shipping or packing tape. It is called strapping tape. You can obviously do this process with the standard shipping tape if that's what you have around. But the reason I like to use the strapping tape for this process is that it has this nice stripy matte appearance, rather than the usual glossy look that you get with the standard shipping tape. But again, if you like this look and you prefer to use the standard shipping tape, that's fine too. The process will work pretty much the same. For this process, I'm going to use a couple of pictures I took with my phone during a hike in Topanga Canyon. I turned them to black and white, added a little contrast, and printed with my laser printer. And if you don't have a laser printer, you can use a toner-based photocopy. Okay, so now I'm going to layer the tape over my photo. And I make sure there are no gaps between the strips of tape. Okay, so now I burnish the tape using the handle of the scissors. This will ensure a good bond and will transfer the photo onto the tape. Next, I place it in a tray of warm water for about 15 minutes. And if you like this process, you're going to love my book, the Mixed Media Photography book. Check it out, it's on Amazon. After 15 minutes of soaking in warm water, I begin removing the paperback, which comes off quite easily. I also like using a soft sponge to rub off the rest of the paper. After most of the paper is gone, I seal the image using a clear spray or a brush-on varnish. Now to the fun part. So actually I can use this phototransfer in many different projects, and I decided to upgrade and personalize my lampshade. It's a little boring, it's just a plain white lampshade. In the past I just glued random pictures over the lampshade, which was actually quite nice, and I like the end results very much. But this time I decided to cover the whole lampshade and create a different look. I'm going to use heavy gel gloss to glue the photos onto the lampshade, but you can use any other glue medium you have. It would have been super nice if I could just glue the whole transfer piece onto the lampshade, but because of the curvature, it won't work. So I'm going to have to cut it into smaller pieces. I'm spreading a good amount of the gel medium over the surface of the lampshade. And then I glue down the transfer pieces. I think if I would have changed anything about this process is that I would have gotten a different shape of a lampshade. Maybe a drum or oval shape. It would have been so much easier to cover and without the joint lines. And now let's turn on the light. This was such a fun project for me to do. And now I have a new and upgraded lampshade. This was pretty easy, right? Well, it was easy for you because I did all the work. It was easy. I enjoyed it. It was fun. Yeah, I had so much fun and I hope you enjoyed this video too. Let me know in the comments below. So stick around because this is such an easy project. Wow. And now I have a stick to the script. There's no script. This was such a fun project. I hope this video was useful to you, and if you want to see more like this, click here, and I'll see you next time.